Hello everyone. If you're driving a Ford Fiesta and you have a sync radio that keeps disconnecting or doesn't connect to your phone, this video is for you. I'm going to show you a really quick and easy fix that is really easy and easier than you might think, in just one simple step. Make sure to turn your car off, open the case in your dashboard and put the rubbers off, pull the rubbers off. Just like that, and over there go to the fuse box. As you can see, the fuse box has many different ones, but also one with a 10 that is looking the opposite way. Pull that one out. Make sure to check if it's broken or not. If not, this is right, you just need to reset. And to reset you have to put it out for like 10 seconds, and after the 10 seconds put it back in, exactly in the same spot. Just like that. Put your dashboard back up, of course. Go back to your radio and start your car, of course. Go to the device. Check your phone. Boom, it's connected again. Thanks for watching.